Watch it, watch it, watch it. Sanford, please, drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Go.
Where did he cut you? In the hand or in the face?
He ripped my teeth out. He stuck his hand in my mouth.
On June 15th, 2024, Sanford police responded to a gas station after reports that an employee had been taken hostage inside a bathroom. As the woman desperately begged for help from behind the door, officers faced a decision that would later spark outrage across the internet.
Alright, she's screaming. Go in.
I know.
Go in. What are we waiting for? Women's or men's? Men's. Go ahead. Sanford Police Department, come out now! Sanford Police Department, drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Give me a sec.
Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach! Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah. Come on.
Go. Alright, come outside, babe. 12. After you can approach, she has a laceration to the face. What happened?
He saw me in the bathroom.
Yeah, that's fine. That's simple. Sit down.
You killed him? No, I saw him out here earlier.
Where did he cut you? In the hand or in the face?
He ripped my teeth out. He stuck his hand in my mouth.
Let me see. And you don't know him?
No, I don't know him at all.
She's a customer?
No, I saw him walking around earlier. He had a flag on him. And I saw him coming from around the building, and when I was coming back inside, I saw him standing in the hallway, and I asked him if he needed something. He said the restroom was out of toilet paper. Well, I could see visually that it still had toilet paper, and I said, "Sir, please step out, let me check." And when I checked it, I said, "It's got toilet paper," and he got in front of the door and closed it behind me, and I said, "Please let me out. Please just let me out. Please let me out." He was trying to slit my throat. He said that I was somebody. He kept calling me Eve, and I kept begging him. Can somebody please call my sister?
Yeah.
Okay. Her name's Kevin. It's 407.
You got it?
995-9689.
What's her name?
Kevin. Like heaven up above.
Okay.
Yeah, he was trying to cut my throat. He was having me backwards. He was trying to shove me into the toilet.
Get up on the stretcher?
Is that where it got you mostly in the chin?
Sanford. Go ahead and release traffic. We got up security. Calm down for right now. FD97 as well.
Hi, this is Officer Amy with Sanford Police Department. Your sister. What was your name?
Sarah.
Sarah, your sister Sarah wanted me to.
We got 1 minute. Sure.
Hold on. Glove up?
12.
Here.
Confirmed. She has a laceration.
Hold on. What? You glove up.
Email?
Do not move, you hear me?
Yep.
Yeah, that's fine. That's simple.
Search him good before you do anything. Put here. Alright, you got anything on you? You got anything else on you?
You got gloves?
Yeah, I got it. Hold on, hey, document everything that comes out of his pockets. It's gonna be one tissue wide, second tissue wide, another knife.
What pocket? What pocket?
Right pocket, right?
Right pocket. And make sure it's secure.
Don't move. Come on. Just stay. Hey, chill out. You're not going anywhere. Hey, if you move, tase him. Hey, grab. grab his arms and drag his ass out of here. Come on, open the door. Somebody chicken wing his legs.
Come on, man.
Go, drag him out, You, hold on, make sure nobody fucking knows Right here is good. Hey, what's your name, guy? Watch. Be careful, he's got blood all over him, alright? Don't do nothing stupid, Raymond.
Right pocket.
David,
Empty.
have your knife.
Left pocket. Shut up. Tissue.
Are we good to clear the traffic?
Laser pointer.
Hold it, he's still acting up. He's still resisting. Give us a minute.
Left pocket clear. Waistband. Alright, I'm gonna roll him this way.
Where are you at?
Waistband's good.
In the lot.
Chest pocket. Trash. Trash. Alright, he's good.
You should look. Instead of throw a hobble on. Hold him up. Go ahead.
I heard it come out was leaving the detail. Yeah, we're out of detail. He was by himself, so I just
Sheriff, what's up, man?
Let's go see them.
You're not easy.
Straighten out his foot.
Good? Alright.
Let's get him up.
No, that's hog tying. You can't hog tie.
Oh, shoot. Oh, you're right.
Alright. Let's get him up, and we're gonna get him FD treated, and then 41. Alright? Grab your shoulder. You ready? Alright. Put it in your car. He's gotta get treated first, though. Dan? He's already searched. Yeah, he's good.
I guess he's just a regular customer. She saw him walking around earlier. Then he goes towards the bathroom. He says, or she asks, hey, do you need any help? He goes, well, I need toilet paper in the bathroom. She goes in there to check and sees that there's toilet paper, and she's like, no, there's toilet paper here. And then that's when he pushes her in the bathroom, closes the door. He tries to put her head inside the toilet, grabs her, turns her around, tries to slit her throat, and he's like trying to fight. I guess he's calling her a different name. Okay. So he's thinking that she's someone else. Okay. He somehow ripped her teeth, like I think 2 or 3 tooth out.
Feet, okay?
Yeah.
You said trans?
So that's where he's going.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with him.
Okay. So they're gonna take him to the police department to get him in an interview room. I need someone to stay on scene until CID gets here. Okay? So who are Alright, you're gonna stand up, alright?
I know, that's what I was looking for.
And I'll help you out. You ready? Oh, that's not the way we're going here. Just wait 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds.
Alright. We're gonna get him on his knees and then get up.
Okay.
I know.
We're gonna get you on your knees,
On
okay?
your knees, okay?
There you go. Okay, you're gonna turn around and you're gonna sit right in the car, okay?
Has he been searched?
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little tight cramp. You might want to go sideways. Yeah, they're tight. You alright?
Who's got
It's getting to me here, so it's
Okay.
So when you get to the 40, have you done this before? No, like taking someone to the interview? No. Okay, so
I know where
you have blood on your right here. Yeah. So when we get to the 40, I'll let you pull into the Sally Port. I'll get out. I'll close the gates and just wait till everything's closed. Obviously, wait till I park, and then I'll help you walk out.
for BYRD.
First.
Ryan. Oh,
Okay. Just because he's in your guys' custody?
You signed the refusal form that's saying that he's not going to the hospital.
Oh, it's gonna be down here, just like we're gonna do. What? Signature just like that.
Perfect.
Yeah, claim them from me. And get them back to me.
I'll douse them.
I don't work
Can I call you later?
Yeah.
In the end, 63-year-old Randall Lawton was charged with aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, resisting officers without violence, and kidnapping. But after body cam footage of the incident went viral, attention quickly shifted from the suspect to the officers who waited outside while the victim pleaded for help. The department has since launched an internal investigation into their response. If you enjoy videos like this, like, subscribe, and check out the next story.